Hey guys! So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my heatless curl tutorial. So as you can see, my hair I'm trying to get my hair to look more healthy, to be more healthy. So my hair's this short, but be prepared when you do this, if you do it really tight, my hair's this long, but my hair went up to my shoulders, so like that much it takes off. To do this heatless curls, you'll need a brush, comb, and 3 any bobbles, even scrunchies. So first what you need to do is you need to put your parting into a zigzag. And then you just keep doing this all the way until you get about to the end of, not all the way down to about by here. And then when you've done that, it should look something like this. And when you get to the back, just do a sort of straight parting all the way down. Don't have to be perfect. But next, now you're going to do is you're going to get, no matter where you do it, you're going to try and get 3 equal partings on each side. So like this, but 3 down. Sorry guys, I just realised, but actually you need to get like half, not 3, because I remember the 3 what I did actually failed. You need 2, because when I did 3 they turned out way too curly and my hair was literally like up here. But now I'm going to go and repeat this on this side. Right, so now that's done, you're going to go and get tights. It can be whatever tights, it depends on how long your hair, but I just get these regular ones. Right, this sounds weird, but you're going to start by getting like the middle part and putting this bit to the side, and you're going to use just the string going down. And this is really hard to show, but what you're going to do is really hard. If you don't know how to do basic heatless curls, I would try doing the basic curl tutorial first before this one, because this one's hard for me and I've been doing heatless curls for ages. So what you do is you get your heatless curls and you have to, it's hard to show, I don't know if you can see, but you get a bit over here, separate it from the hair. You put it over the top and just put it back through to the side. And you have to hold that with one hand. So you can grab another piece from the side, separate it from the hair. You're going to get this then, get it tight, and you're going to do the same. You're going to put it over, under and back over this side. And then you need to hold this with one hand. Get this, grab a more piece and add it to it. Just like a French braid where you'd add to it, but you add to it and then you put it back around the tights and back through again through the side, so it stays on the side. And then you keep repeating that. Then I'll go onto this side, get some more, and then once you know how to do it, the easier it is. But the smaller pieces you grab, I can't get my words out. The smaller pieces you grab, the smaller curls you'll have. So that's why I'm getting like medium sizes. And you just keep grabbing over this side. I'll show you one more time. Over this side, separate the rest of the hair, add it to it. Then you're going to go under, and back over this side again. And then you're going to go to this side and you just keep going all the way down. Right then guys, now that I've done all that, it should look something like this. When you get to the bottom, what you have to do is you have to pull the hair around to the side and then put it off on the top, all the way, grab it underneath, put it back. You do the exact same of what you've been doing down here, except for you're not adding any hair. So, I don't know if you can see, around and then up, then that goes around, up, and the tighter you do it, obviously, like I said, the tighter curls you'll have. So, I accidentally let go then. You have to make sure can't breathe. And you have to make sure you don't leave go of it. And then as you do it more often, that you'll get faster at it and it'll be easier to you. Guys, please ignore this piece. I'm used to having a middle part, and so then when I bring it over here, it's like I don't want to be over there. And then guys, to know you've done it right, when you leave go, it should stay still. So you just leave it like that, and you can just put either a barbell or like a scrunchie in it. And now I'm going to go and repeat that to this side of you, the front section. In case you guys don't know, with this bit then, you might have still some, so you're just going to bring it over here, pull it over that side, and then use this bit to do it. Right, and this is what it looks like when you've done the first 2. Like you can see like the crisscross pattern all the way down. Right, I look really crazy now, but once you've got the 2 back bits now this is where it gets hard. You're going to get this, and you're going to do like a line through them, so that you get two half pieces, and like I can feel this one's way thicker than this one, so I'm gonna, even if it is might be a bit over half, you want them like the same thickness, so I'm gonna keep going up until they feel about the same thickness. And then once you get that, then you're gonna leave this top one, you're gonna put this top one in a ponytail, well not a ponytail, in a bobble. Ignore how I look, by the way, I don't know if I've said that already, but you're just gonna get this one now, make sure it's all brushed through. And then you're going to get another more tights, and you're going to put it, it's going down like the same, like that, and you're just going to do that bit now. So I'm going to do this side, I'm going to do this side, and then I'm going to show you that side, because this side is harder for me to do. So I'll be back after I've done these two parts, and then I'll show you how to do on this side. This side. Guys, ignore my makeup. This is not how my makeup normally looks. It looks so bad at the moment. But this is how they should look. I don't know if you can see, because obviously I can't see it. But this is how they should look then, because you've done one at the top and one at the bottom. But now I'm going to show you how I do it on this side now. So before I do anything, I make sure I'll brush it through with a comb as well. So make sure there's definitely no knots, because if you have knots, then it's going to be way harder to do. And then, like I said, you're going to just split it in half so that it feels like both thicknesses. So that's really thin and that's quite thick, so I'm going to add a bit more down to the bottom until they feel about the same thickness. Oh no, so sometimes it will take you quite a while, quite fidgeting around just to make sure they feel roughly the same, like that. And then what you're going to do then is you're going to get the bottom of this and you're going to hide this away. Well, I mean, by hiding away, I mean like clip it up. Right, and then you get obviously the last pair of tights you're going to use now. Right, and guys, the thing with this is how I told you to do the front, you're literally going to do to this. You literally do the exact same. And you start right from the top and go all the way down to the bottom. So I'm going to show you now how to do that. It's quite hard to show you on the back because obviously I need to be able to see and all this is in the way. But you just get it, you put it around on this side. And then you do the same on this side to the top ones. Just like normal sides. Oh, you have to watch there's no knots. My hair gets knotty quite fast actually. Then you pull that around and at the top. And then you go all the way down to the bottom and you just keep adding pieces in. So like this piece now, I'll get a piece. I'll put it into this piece. Brush it out and I'll just wrap it back around. And then I'll do that to the same over there. Right guys, I'm just going to show you, can't get my words out. I'm just going to show you how I normally do it, So I'm just going to, as I said, I've shown you this, but I'm just going to show you again. So you get this piece, wrap it over, put your hand under then, under the tights, and it just goes under. So it goes this piece over, put your hand under, and put it back to this side again. And you just do that as tight as you can, all the way down. And then guys, if you're wondering how I tie them like, I don't even know how to do it, like, I tie it like this, for example. So I'll tie it so it's like that, and it's tied around there, because and then when you pull the bobble out, you're not ripping out your hair, it just goes like that. So that's a tip for not ripping out your hair when you're taking them out. Right guys, it's finally time for the last piece now. And just to warn you, I should have said this earlier, but this does take a long time. This has took me like 40 minutes, I think I has. Yeah, about 40 minutes. So 40 minutes to do this is a lot, but in the morning, I would say it's fast to take out, but it's not. It takes about 15 minutes to take out in the morning, but it is worth it because in the end, you have really, really bouncy curls and they last all day. But now I'm going to quickly show you how to do these ones, the bottom ones. Right guys, I can't remember what I said in the last clip because I went to go find a bobble, but I'm going to do this and then I'll be back. Right guys, I'm just on my last one now and I need to put the bobble in and then I'm done. Right guys, this is what I should be looking at the end with all of them. You should have 6 in total. But now all I really do is I just get them and I'll just tie them back. And then once you've tied them back, it should look a bit like this. I don't know if you can see that properly. But then you get the top of this one, of this tight, the right front one. And you just stuff it all in like that. It looks really weird at the end, but thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!